Hey guys, how are you today? How long is your dipstick? Just checking the oil. It's adventure time. It is adventure time. Man, this long dipstick, sometimes it's a pain. Gotta really get it in there. There we go. Oil's good. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Wait till you see where we're going today. It's nothing fancy. But we check the oil, let's throw some water in the tank, and let's get the show on the road. Fill her up. Well, while she's filling up, so I went and did a basement slab today. And it's kind of, out in the country, like this. This isn't like one of those new subdivisions that they chop a bunch of trees down and put a bunch of houses beside each other. And I was like, sweet, this would be a good place to come camping. Well, I'm going back tomorrow to line pump the frickin' garage. So I was like, hey, boss lady, can I go tonight? She's like, yeah, sure. So here we are. It's about 7:30. Might even be almost 8 o'clock by now. We're gonna throw some water in. Bag's already loaded on the truck. We're gonna frickin' grab some McDonald's. I was a little bit hungry. And it's dollar drink days, how can you go wrong? And we're gonna frickin' blast out to this site. We're gonna park the truck right exactly where I need it for tomorrow morning. Unless they're still finishing the floor, then I'm gonna park one house past. Just, I don't know, I don't wanna talk to them. I mean, and they know I'm in the trees, right? So, full we are. We got our drink. I just got a cheeseburger and some pies. I have supper planned. I guess I just needed a drink. There's a truck. She's running. Let's hit the pavement and go camping. Okay guys, we made it. The house we're parked in front of is not the house that we poured the basement this morning, but I do see that there is a couple pickup trucks over at the house we poured at. So I'm just gonna grab my stuff and we're just gonna walk behind the truck into the group of the trees behind us. They're all lots for sale. So nobody actually really owns them yet, well, except for whoever owns the shed. All right, guys, bags on back. I got my drink. We just got to get there without being seen. Should be pretty simple. We made it. Easy peasy. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Now, I know that there's a few houses built over there, and there's one built over here. So I think we're just gonna kind of go that way and pick a spot wherever we can hang the hammock. Let's get there. This is a thick, thick forest. It's bushwhacking the whole way. I see something promising right in this direction. This is it, guys. I can hang my hammock from that tree, and I'll spin around and go right to that tree. No widow makers, enough of a clear area, and I am hidden. Okay, I think it's gonna work because it's pretty late. But as you can see, I'm on this pathway, right? And right behind me is where I picked camp. It's just right there. Let's go check it out. Pathway. Let's check camp. Oh. Sorry, guys. There's a stick. And this is where I picked. And you can just make that trail out right there. Right there. Check this chair out I got at the dollar store for $5. You freaking look at this thing. You pull her down. It's got a backrest, a butt pad, and like this front pouch. A freaking cooler line. Oh, I gotta get my Stealth Pepsis in there right now. Frick yeah, that's sweet for $5. Excuse me. For $5? That's sweet. Frick yeah, this chair is awesome. This is awesome. It's a little bit big, but it fit right on the back of the bag. So honestly, it wasn't that bad. It's pretty light. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Hashtag Hero Challenge. Dropped by Steve the Transit Camper. Frickin' nice challenge, man. Nice challenge. My hero for the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag Hero Challenge. You know, I guess I'm not into, you know, like hockey players or, you know, sports. I love lots of music. You know, everything from heavy metal to techno. Just don't include country. You know, I mean, my favorite band of all time is Metallica. The old stuff, right? You know, I don't follow movie stars. You know, my favorite movie is Terminator 2. You know, I don't follow people, I guess you could say. I guess people that make a lot of money doing stuff. We won't get into it. But I guess my hero for the hashtag hero challenge for the month. What month are we in? June? Yeah, June. We're just about the end. This is going to be a quick edit. Slam her together, get her out. Is Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Whatever his tune. I think it was 93 to 98 is when he had his science show. And I loved it. I absolutely freaking loved it. I'd catch every episode. Whenever it was on, Sunday night, Monday night, I don't remember that. But I caught every episode. You know, because that's my kind of hero. I'm not saying somebody that's on TV or anything, but that teaches, knowledge is, that's why I like watching a lot of YouTube, because it's real people doing real things. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. You know, again, I wanted to write down a whole bunch of information about him and all that. I could throw some links up. I was looking on Wikipedia there. He was born in 55. You know. And yeah, like I said, he did the show. And he's got the 3 seasons of Bill Nye something on Netflix. Actually, I didn't even really know about that till just recently. So I might start watching those. That's my hero, guys. There's Bill Nye the Science Guy. Maybe a little bit unconventional for, you know, some people out there. Okay, well, I put the fly on the hammock, and I also put the camo knitting. So let's go see what it looks like from the trail. So much better. So much better. Cool. Hashtag South Camping Alliance. Hashtag Hero Challenge. Hashtag Hawk Nest Hammock. Hidden Hawk Nest Hammock. Well, the sun has like set. Crazy bug. The mosquitoes have come out quite severely now. Got me a Stealth Pepsi, Mars bar, smoke, thing of crayons, and this what I thought was a normal size like sketch pad, but the thing's freaking huge, barely fit in my bag. Not too sure what I was thinking. Well, I was thinking like I'm only going to use a page or two and the kids can use the rest. So I was like, oh, bigger the better, right? But yeah, so brand new. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to really draw the guy, but I'll make this all science-y and stuff. Anyways, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. And Sunday I'm on my way home. Make a left turn. My Mr. Dimples kind of like that's kind of weird. At that, I put the lid on the thing. And so, you know, I was like, yeah, that was weird. Make my right turn. And kind of does it again. Whatever. Grab a gear, release the clutch, give it some gas, and frickin' nothing. Tacked her right out. I mean, didn't tack it out because I'm not, you know what I mean. Bam! What the heck? Maybe I thought maybe I missed a gear. And nope, Didn't miss a gear. I believe I broke the frickin' input shaft on the transmission. So right now I have the courtesy shop truck. Thanks, James. And yeah, you see, it's a volcano. Yeah. And so I'll do a few phone calls. I haven't really done as many as I should, because again, where should I be right now? I should be at the shop pulling transmission out of Mr. Dimples. That's where this story's going. That's where I should be. But I am here coloring in the forest for the hashtag South Camping Alliance, hashtag Hero Challenge. Bill Nye, the science guy. He's somebody I'd look up to for sure. Taught me a lot of stuff. Another guy that taught me a lot of stuff, Stacy Davis, from like them hot rod shows and stuff. He taught me a lot of stuff too. Time vehicles and fix things and things like that. Honestly, building models is what taught me about vehicles. Like the parts and the pieces and what they did and things like that. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna sit here, color this for a couple more minutes, and we'll get back to you when we're done. Hey guys, the mosquitoes are getting horrendous, and I kind of want to go for a quick walk before it gets too dark, and then when I get back it'll be too dark. So here is my drawing. Bill Nye the Science Guy, volcano. I don't know, it's like some chemical smoking, some of those test tubes, the sun, the moon, and that was going to be a plane, but it turned into a bird with a force field. So yeah, hashtag South Camping Alliance, hashtag Hero Challenge, dropped by Steve the Transit Camper. Thanks for getting me out this month. Thanks for getting us out this month. Just imagine all weekend long, look at my drawings. There's gonna be some awesome ones. Anyways guys, let's go on a walk. That's the house there tomorrow. I don't really want to cross the road or go over there at night or now. So I'll show you in the morning, because the pump truck it's just right there. Fire it up, back it up. and drive into that driveway. Should be pretty simple. But yeah, I guess we'll see you back at camp. Hashtag South Camping Alliance. Hashtag Hero Challenge. Bill, 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 Bill. Well, everybody, we're laying in the hammock, the hawk nest hammock. I even brought my air pad. Stuck it in between there and the little hole that it goes into. It's quite comfy. We'll see you in the morning. It's pretty late. It's like 11:20. I don't have to be up very early. Concrete's at freaking 8:30. So if I'm over at the truck at 7:30, that's lots of time. So we'll see you in the morning, guys. I'm freaking exhausted. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Oh, what a fantastic sleep. Oh, I love sleeping in this hammock. Just love it. Shortly after 6 a.m., I don't have to be at the truck till like 7:30. So I'm gonna, I guess, tear down this hammock first things first. Just so it's out of sight, out of mind type of style thing. I dreamt about my hero no, I didn't. I slept hard. Anyways, guys, we'll see you when we're out of the cocoon of awesomeness, hawk nest hammock, and make a coffee. Well, I've got everything cleaned up. Let's take one more gander at my beautiful, beautiful piece of artwork. For the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag Hero Challenge. Dropped by Steve the Transit Camper. Once again, man, thanks for getting me out. Thanks for getting us out. Let's do a quick camp inspection. Make sure we leave no trace. And let's just get out of here. Let's go to the truck. We'll fire it up. We gotta check the oil. So that means we gotta play with the dipstick again. Alright, guys. Everything has been picked up. We left no trace except for some trampled grass. Oh, a coffee cup. Let's grab that. Let's walk on out of here. Oh. Well, we'll see you back at the truck. Well, let's check the oil. Look how long my dipstick is. Really, I'm just making sure it still has it. We're on a bit of a slope, so our actual reading is going to be off, but it's got oil. It's good. Let's fire it up. Go sneak into that garage over there and put my work clothes on. I don't want to get my nice clothes dirty. Guys, we have made it to site. Let's just do a quick walk around to this place. Seems very, very expensive. Let's check out the basement we did yesterday. This is the window we came into. There it is. Could have came and slept here last night. So it doesn't look very big, but it goes all the way around the corner there. Let's check her out. Well, back in on some trees. Not bad. Nice deck. Lots of windows. And then, yeah, this is where this basement came to too. Right? Like we were way over there in that corner. It's a big basement. Nice front porch, I guess. I like how they board up the door, but you can just climb through the window. I don't know. And this is what we're pouring today. I'm just going to come off the back end of the pump, hose down here. And yeah. So let's get her done. Hey, well, that's it, guys. I gotta mix a bag of slurry, raise the boom a little bit, put the outriggers down just so the truck doesn't rock, but that's it. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast.